Hey guys, I can't watch.
First ball, Russia. Ball number 23, first personal foul. First team foul. Pushes. Number 12. First personal foul. First team foul. Two shots leading to number 1, foul shot. First free throw, good. Second last throw by number 1, foul shot.
Grabe, mami, alas 11 na yung magalaro. Ano? Sinilip ako.
Number 7, good points. Morning to shoot. Steal by Sean. Sean. There's a foul number 19. First personal foul, second team foul. We shall say to Mr. Sean. We are to see Sean. One to shoot. Steal by Sean. Number 8. Number 1, number 11, first personal foul, second team foul, number 26. Rebound, working to shoot. Yes, one, and back. No good. Rebound, number 11. To number 7, Ramos. To number 8.
Kukulang kayo.
White ball, working to shoot. Substitution. For the shot, 12 to back. Number 3, 21, next one. The solution. Foul number 12. Second personal foul. 13 points to Russia. Next one. The solution, foul on Sean. First personal foul, entering for penalty. In Russia. 40 seconds shot clock.
Mag-aalsip daw sila. Wow. Tapang kumipag.
10 to shoot. And 11 rebound. Ramos the shot. 40 shot clock. 2 points. One more. 6 to nothing run.
Uli.
Same. Shot. Ramos on the 3. Short. Target to shoot. Ramos as a whistle. Foul number 12.
Let's go, Kobe. Let's go, Kobe.
Lincoln. First personal foul. 13. Seven zero. Lincoln 3. Ramos. Nice defense by Lincoln.
Nice foul.
Shot. For the shoot. Thank you, shoot. 3 number 26. Up. Alas.
Maganda.
Number 7. Ramos. Penalty na. Russia. Ingat-ingat lang tayo. Beacon. Okay. First picture. Good. Second last throw by number 1, Mr. Kocha.
Agi.
Ramos. Shot. 2 seconds by number 8. Safi.
Kunin mo kayo muna. Sa mga bali na. Bigyan mo siya yan. Ayun na natin si Kuya. Oo. Bag nila mama.
Kocha. Yes. Number 12.
Good.
Nice defense. Foul shot, substitution. Second personal foul, penalty. Second personal foul shot.
Dai,
Sabi, championship sayang.
dai.
Grabe na.
Second last throw.
Marami ba? Mami, good luck, mami.
Hindi, tara na.
Ay, iwan ka na nga, oh.
Kain.
Yung bag lang.
Oo, sige.
Ay, papala na to. Parang naman yung
Shot.
Milyones, ah.
Fourteen to shoot. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 2 points. For 11-4. Shot. Holding shot clock. There's a whistle for number 7. First personal foul. Entering for penalty. Regulación by number 1, Sean. Rebound for Sean. Steal. Sean. Rebound. Number 12, Ramos. There's a whistle for number 1 for Sean. Penalty, Ortiz. Ramos, there's good. Regulación by number 1, Sean Ramos. 7 points. 42. Reveille. 50 seconds. 50 seconds. For number 1, third personal foul. Penalty. Substitution.
Oh, Sean!
30 seconds. Seconds. 30 seconds. On number 21. First. Substitution. First personal foul. Penalty. Seconds. First foul.
Take your time.
Body shot left. Good morning. 10 seconds. 5. And the first quarter. He scored 75. Ramos, rebound 11, maybe point. Number 7, 5 step. No good. Rebound 22. Ramos. To number 18, pointing to shoot. Number 11, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 73, number 7. Number 11, number 11. 26, 21. Probably 30 seconds shut down. 40 seconds shut down. Steal. Number 22. Number 19,
Daddy, tab yun yung lalaro mo.
At nag-MVP na siya din sa amin, bawal siya. Tayo na. 2022, no?
Pwede tab lang yung height niya.
40. Good luck. Steve. 31. Number 36. Number 7. Ramos. Number 22. Number 23. Thanks to shoot. 5 to shoot. 40 shot. Number 71. Rebound 22 to number 31. Yes, Ramos. To number 22, Steve Gonzalez. Yes, the time. Very good. Target to shoot. Steve by 22. To Ramos. To Morales in the 3. Short. Substitution. 1.4. Substitution.
Oh my gosh, Henson. No, not shot.
Target to shoot. Rebound, number 11. There's a call. Foul number 1 shot. Second personal foul. First team foul. Steal by Ramos Morales. Number 22, young ball, same ball by Shep. Substitution. 14 seconds shoot. Substitution. 14 seconds shot clock. 10 shoot.
Hala.
Rebound number 12. Number 7.
Di pa nagbago yung score, what?
Shot. Number 21. Point to shoot. 10 to shoot. And number 71 bricks. To point. Shot. No good. Shot again. Block. Steal number 71. Resolution. Follow number 21. Substitution. First personal foul, first team foul, 57 seconds.
Ah, nagpipigay.
Warning to shoot. Warning shot clock. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Okay. 22 seconds. Warning to shoot. Rebound. Number 1 for John. 24 seconds. Shot clock out. Point shot. 2 points. 19-16. 50 seconds. 10 seconds. 5.
Lagi, let's go. Bro. Bro. Block kami, block.
26 seconds. No good. Rebound. Yes,
Bye,
shot.
baby girl. Bye, Tyron.
Ramos. The number 12, the number 2, Tapia.
Ay!
On point ball. On job, resolution, follow number 29, lead ball. One more. And shoot. Number 8. And shoot. Rebound number 7. The number 26. Side step, lay up to point. 1 lead for the team last shot. Leading now goal. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Number 26, Stay loose. Exhibition foul number 12, substitution. Third personal foul, second team foul. Yeshua Napawi, who shots given to number 26. Second last throw by number 26.
Very good!
2 points.
This is my age lang. Wow! Ay!
Referee, substitution. Substitution.
Oh
Rebound. That's right. And the champion.
no! Ay! Oh no! Very good!
And the shoot.
Oh!
9 to shoot. 9 to shoot. Substitution. 9 to shoot. Foul number 19. First personal foul for Steve Brown. Tony Shadlock. Second personal foul for Steve Brown. Tony Shadlock. Ten to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rebound. 14 Shadlock.
Ay!
Rebound Yeshua. Yeshua from the way to number 19. 5 to go. Heads up. Our third heads up is ball. Good rebound, number 12. Rebound number 5. Patrick Gray, number 71. 71. Pass to number 1. Take ball, formation run. 40 to shoot, 40 to shoot. White ball, last shot. 40 to shoot. And the next field.
Ay!
Number 12. Fourth personal foul, 13 fouls. Yes, rebound. Whitey shotgun.
Oh gosh!
Pointing to shoot, number 12, with back number with that first one. To number 19. Steer. Captain Blue. Sounds good. Morgan Chandler, 25. After break, number 21, Dito. For points. Number 6, after 16 seconds shot clock, 16 seconds shot clock. Morgan to shoot. Traveling. Subdivision. Shaggy. 1 minute. Morgan to shoot. 50 seconds. Team Malaysia after break number 26. Thirty seconds. Morgan Chandler. 35 seconds. Morgan to shoot. Ami. Okay. 32 seconds. Masa dalam po. 15 seconds. Yes, sir. 10 seconds. .8 seconds. 3.8 seconds. Last shot. Rebound violation. And third. Good shot. Morgan shoot. Morgan shoot. Number 7. Field goal second. Foul number 22. First personal foul. Personal foul. One shot given to number 71. Bricks.
Good.
The good man of the team, number 2, to number 8, Michelle. Campo, open ball, balikan kita. Number 7, 40 shot. Foul number 22, second personal foul, second free foul. 40 to shoot, 20 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sean. Number 8, round 2. There's a sentence in the first one that we will take that shot. Why did you shoot? Yes, once, we do. South Division. Yes, Rob. Number 32. Fourteen shot clock, one shot, we're good. 40 shot clock, one shot. Stop. Wallace, John, number 11, South Division. It's like falling. Holding shot clock. Ada lagi bukan gangguan. Yeswa. Yeswa. Gangguan. Pointing to shoot. Still on field by number 22.
Awesome. Go, go.
Holding to shoot. Back to shoot. Shot three. Gangguan. To be 16 seconds. Stop. Stop. Home-court ball, home-court ball. Holding to shoot. Holding Chandra. Yeshua. That's good. Zero. Agree. 26. There's a result for number 22.
Dapat lang.
Sige, last one by number 26. Apat lang yan. No. 1 minute, 29 seconds. Point in the shoot. Back in the shoot. Here, here. Good work. Everyone's ready. One minute. 57 minutes. Home ball. 50. Let's go, home ball. 14 seconds inbound. And to shoot. 5 to shoot. Subdivision. Okay, $20.7 seconds. Shot lang mo, pasok ka lang. 50 seconds. 10 seconds. 5.9. 23, wala pa. First team ball na lang ang home court. 5.9. Last shot.
Right to steal, right to steal.
4.5. Second team ball na lang. 17.
Tulak mo!
1.2. 13 points na lang. 13 points. 1.2.
Ah, tapos na. Tapos na.
Basta na lang ka. Basta na lang ka bata. Humingin ka pa. Lagi naman si coach.
Easy, easy,
Mas sumulat sa labas.
easy. Easy, easy. Okay lang yan, coach. Love you pa.